7 AI tools that doubled my productivity. Hi, my name is Tony, and in this video I'll share you my list of tools that help me save dozens of hours a month and also help me become superhuman in my work. The tools I'll share here won't be in any specific order, rather they will be broken down by categories. Let's start with time management. In this category I want to tell you about two tools, otter.ai and productivity/ai.net. One of my aha moments in AI was when I realized that I can summarize huge amounts of content and consume it without the noise, basically. And my next thought was, can I do the same with my meetings? Can I summarize them without the need to do that manually? And that's when I found Otter AI. Otter AI does just that. It helps you record and summarize your meetings and getting searchable notes. Otter AI is useful for pretty much any knowledge work. Whether you are a researcher, a journalist, a marketer, you name it, Otter AI will be very helpful for you. Otter helps you transcribe interviews for analysis and insights, create detailed meeting minutes for follow-ups, convert lectures into study notes, capture brainstorming sessions for reference, and document verbal agreements for clarity. Overall, this is one of my favorite productivity AI tools. Next tool I want to mention today is Productivity AI. And this is the tool I've been personally waiting for quite some time. This is the tool that helps you manage your productivity tools like Notion, Calendar, different CRM systems, task managers, all inside your messenger, whether it's Telegram, WhatsApp, or iMessage. You can manage your tasks, populate change logs, and many more, and all from inside your messenger, just with a natural language. Now let's talk about some tools for marketing. A couple of tools I want to talk about here are Tweet Hunter and Taplio. These are the tools made by the same team, and they help you manage your Twitter and LinkedIn accounts respectively. And these tools are absolutely killing it. Tweet Hunter helps you find trending topics and craft amazing tweets that will gather engagement. Tweet Hunter is useful for marketers, thought leaders, brand managers, and many other digital professions. It helps you stay informed about the trending topics, generate tweet ideas, participate in trending discussions, and monitor competitor activity on Twitter. Taplio has very similar functionality but for LinkedIn. I really recommend you to use these tools if you are into marketing or if you are a founder that needs to do marketing for your startup or your company. Now from marketing, let's move on to coding. Maybe you don't need it, but chances are your team or colleagues are developers, and if they haven't used Cursor IDE, they are really missing out. I code AI solutions, and for me Cursor is just a magic tool. I cannot say anything else. It's literally magic because it can help you write code, and more importantly, it predicts what you want to type and saves you a lot of time on very boring, mundane tasks of typing out lists or some other templated code. Cursor is used by software developers, data scientists, but actually marketers and product managers and some other professions that are not directly related to programming can benefit from it, because now you don't need a developer to write some simple codes to analyze data, to maybe create a web page or something else. Cursor will help you create those even if you don't have experience in programming, or maybe you have just a little bit of experience in it. Two music generation tools I want to tell you about are Suno and Udio. When I tried Udio for the first time, I was absolutely mind-blown by its capabilities. Using a simple text prompt, you can create musical composition of any style with any voices, any effects, and this is simply magic. Music created by these tools like Suno and Udio doesn't really feel like generated music. It feels like a really professionally made music. I really advise you to try out both of these tools, even if not for work, but just for your personal joy. It's just crazy what you can get with these tools. You can create background music for your presentations, sound effects for games or apps, compose intro or outro jingles for the podcasts, develop custom branding for marketing materials, and even record stand-up beats and do some other personal projects. I really had a lot of fun creating some K-pop music together with my girlfriend. As you can see, these tools can either supercharge you and your team, or even give you skills that you never possessed. As a developer, you can create amazing music. As a musician, you can write computer programs. Yes, for now, maybe they're not top level, but they're already something you can use, something you can save a lot of time on and actually a lot of money on. As of now, still not so many businesses use these opportunities, and the ones that use them, they're really beating their competition. AI tools are supercharging businesses. Though we are still early in this process, the businesses that are using AI tools are already starting to win the competition. I genuinely advise you to start using at least some of these tools and gradually use more and more of them. This way you can ensure that your business stays competitive in this wildly fast approaching future.